Alright. Okay, let me set up this stopwatch in 3, 2, 1, begin. Alright, down, leave it down. Don't touch anything yet. Turn on the flywheel. You're good. Just bring it down now. Move it forward a little bit. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Rack it down.
Oh, sorry. Yeah,
Too late.
It's too late.
Alright. Turn around. Beautiful. Alright. Good. That's right. Don't turn it. Alright. Bring it all the way down.
Good. Okay. I'm just gonna use the winch to get it. What? That's way faster. Oh my god. I'm going for the third stack.
Alright, turn around. Turn around. There we go. That's good. Go to the third stack.
Yeah, go to this one.
Move it forward. Bring it down. Forward. Bring it down.
That's way better.
Yeah, you're only at 1 minute 20 seconds. Turn it to the right. Spin it. It's good. Alright, let's go for the last stack.
Okay, let's do it.
Move to the right. Alright, going in. It's good. Just turn around. Turn to a winch. Alright.
I'm going for the middle.
Alright, go for it. A little bit to right, a little bit to right, a little bit to right. Right. There we go.
Spin it down.
Right.
And smooth it. Oh, perfect.
Oh, that's good.
Okay.
Alright, now just smooth it.
Spin it down.
Too much, but that's good. I just tried to move that. I tried to move those over.
No, I'm going for the. Do I have time?
Yeah, you have time. Winch it.
Okay, I'm winching it.
Start winching it. Oh crap! We called it too soon. Did we? They're 2 minutes 47 seconds. Oh,
Science!
Woo! 2 minutes 50 seconds, and that's like the best round we've done.
Oh my god, that was
Let
insane.
me ask you a question. How
You have to
would
say science.